Hello, myself Sudarshan Bhosle from TCOM. The title of the experiment design star snowflake scheme for analyzing this process. Create a fact constellation scheme by combining this extract data from different data sources. Apply suitable transformation and load into destination table using ETL tool. Objective: understand the basic of star snowflake fact constellation scheme and learn RapidMiner for perform various operations on built or external dataset. Outcomes: student will able to demonstrate installation of RapidMiner tool. Student will able to demonstrate different operator and data RapidMiners. Student will able to demonstrate different operation on available data in RapidMiner. Hardware required for this experiment: AD CPU with premium processor of 256 MB RAM or 1 GB hard disk or more. Software requirement: 32 by 64-bit Linux Windows operating system. Latest RapidMiner tool. Theory for this experiment. What what does ETL mean? ETL stands for extract, transformation and load. ETL tool extract the data from different RDBMS source system transformation, the like applying calculation, concentration, etc., and then load the data to data warehouse system. The data is loaded in the data warehouse system in form of dimension and fact table. What is ETL? ETL, which stands for extract, transform and load, is data integration process. We combine data from multiple data sources into single consistent data store that loaded into data warehouse or other target system. As database grew in popularity in 1970s, ETL was introduced as process for integrating and loading data from warehousing project. Hello. Now next we will see RapidMiner software. First step for downloading RapidMiner server. Select download, click on download option. Step second, installation RapidMiners. Next, select next. Safety configuration. Step 3, configuring RapidMiner server setting. Next, click on next. Step 4, configuring RapidMiner server database connection. Step 5, installing proxy. Completing the installation, data warehouse and schemes. What is star scheme? Star scheme is database organization structure optimized for use in data warehouse or business intelligence that use single large fact variable, so transaction or major data, and one or more smaller dimensional table that store attribute about the data. It is called star scheme because fact table, site, center of logical diagram and small dimension table branch off to form point of star. Fact table site at center of star scheme database. How star scheme work? Snowflake scheme in data warehouse model. Introduction. Snowflake scheme is variant of star scheme. Here with the centralized fact table is connected to multiple dimensions. In the Snowflake scheme, dimensions are present in normalized form in multiple related tables. Detailed and highly structured, having several levels of relationship, and child table have multiple parent tables. The Snowflake effect affect only the dimension table and does not affect the fact table. The fact table. Difference between star scheme and snowflake scheme. In star scheme, the fact tables and dimension tables are contained, while in snowflake scheme, the fact table, dimension table as well as sub-dimension table are contained. Star scheme is top-down model, while it is bottom-up model. Star scheme uses more space, while it uses less space. It takes less time for the execution of queries is while it takes more time than star scheme for execution of queries, and denormalization is used. Denormalization is used. Its design is very simple, while it design complex. While it the query complexity of Snowflake scheme is higher than star scheme. Its understanding is very simple, while its understanding is difficult. It has less number of foreign keys, while it has more number of foreign keys. It has high data redundancy, while it has low data redundancy. Now we will RapidMiner software. In step first, design the model. Click on available operation. Second, explanation of selected operation. Second step is select data location. Data loc. Step 2, select data location. Step 3, open sample dataset. Example iris dataset available inbuilt with tool. Step 4, click on retrieve operator, drag and process view. Drag here. Drag here. Step 5, retrieve icon. Retrieve icon shows in process view its as visit. Step 6, click on repository entry. Step 8, select sample file. Step 9, join out operator to result operator. Step 10, start execution of current process. 12, now you can add store operator and connect result operator.